Hello everyone, Nasir here again. Gold is looking so interesting to me once again. So you remember I did some analysis 2 months ago where I calculated that gold will head back towards 1900 and possibly around 1910, 1915. I've put that in the description link below if you want to watch that. Obviously I've done other gold analysis in between, because obviously gold just doesn't move in in a straight line. There's always ups and downs. So there's been other analysis where I've shown you where gold would be pulling back down and things like that. So anyways, I think we've reached the end of the line with gold for the time being now. And it's looking ever so interesting to me. Firstly, because it's come to the level that I wanted, which is around 1900, 1910-ish level. And I'm seeing signs of weakening and reversal on gold. So if we just quickly zoom in onto the 15-minute scale, I've got this trend line at the bottom, which isn't highly accurate, but we get the gist of things. Where once we see price dip below that 1900 level, I think we're going to see gold head back down towards the 1800 level once again. There's a little bit of turbulence. I don't expect it to be a clean breakout. There could be a little bit more movement upward towards 1910 one more time, possibly 1915, before it shows the actual breakout. But I think we're very close to having gold, or rather seeing gold fall down towards 1800. In terms of an exact target price, that would be quite difficult at the moment. I'd be happy with something around 1800, and I'd probably pull out 1800, 1810, somewhere around there. I don't know if I want to push it or push my luck trying to reach 1780 or anything lower than that. So yeah, let's see. Once again, it's not going to be a smooth ride down. We're going to see large dips, then pull-ups, and then more dips. So let's see what we can do with this, and if we can catch this $100 drop that is expected. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below, and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.